Welcome to Best Choice. The best Beirashy Hair Straightening Cream is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for achieving sleek, manageable, and salon-worthy straight hair right in the comfort of your home, offering a transformative experience that tames frizz and enhances shine with its advanced formula designed to work effectively on various hair types, making it a popular choice for those seeking a smooth, polished look without the hassle of daily heat styling. Number 5. Olaplex and Degree 3 Plus Hair Repair Pre-Shampoo Treatment. Discover the revolutionary Olaplex and Degree 3 Plus, your ultimate solution for damaged hair. This pre-shampoo treatment is designed to repair and strengthen your locks from within. Say goodbye to breakage and split ends. Our advanced formula works to mend compromised hair bonds, restoring its natural vitality and resilience. Experience visibly healthier hair with every use. It not only repairs existing damage but also helps protect your hair from future stressors. Simply apply this treatment to damp hair before shampooing. Let it work its magic for a few minutes before continuing your hair care routine. Achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your home. Enjoy smoother, stronger, and more manageable hair that looks and feels amazing. Invest in the health of your hair with Olaplex and Degree 3 Plus. It's the perfect addition to your hair care regimen for unparalleled repair and protection. What we like. This product is designed for severely damaged hair. If you have chemically treated or heat-damaged hair, this is your go-to. It works to rebuild and strengthen hair from within, making it ideal for those seeking deep restoration. What people say. It is a good product for straightening hair. The cream is effective in making hair straight and smooth. It leaves hair looking shiny and healthy after use. Number 4. Moroccanoil Treatment Hair Oil. Discover the secret to luminous, healthy-looking hair. This iconic argan oil treatment deeply nourishes and revitalizes every strand. Experience a transformation in texture and shine. It instantly smooths frizz and adds a brilliant, glossy finish to your locks. Infused with powerful antioxidants, it shields your hair from environmental stressors. Enjoy enhanced manageability and a soft, silky feel. Use it as a conditioning, styling, and finishing tool. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for beautiful hair every day. Embrace the original formula that started a revolution in hair care. Its unique properties make it an essential part of your beauty routine. What we like. Experience luxurious shine and manageability with this oil treatment. If you struggle with frizz and dullness, this is perfect for you. It provides essential nutrients and a smooth finish, making it a must-have for everyday styling and healthy-looking hair. What people say. It is a good product for straightening hair. It is a good product for straightening hair and it is very effective. Number 3. Straight Silk Spray with Moroccan Argan Oil. Discover the secret to effortlessly straight and silky smooth hair. Our formula is designed to transform your locks into a sleek, manageable mane. Experience the nourishing power of Moroccan Argan Oil. This luxurious ingredient works to hydrate and protect your strands, leaving them soft and healthy. Shield your hair from heat damage with advanced thermal protection. It safeguards your hair from temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for all your styling needs. Say goodbye to knots and tangles. This spray works as a powerful detangler, making brushing and styling a breeze without any alcohol. Whether you're flat ironing or blow drying, this versatile spray is your go-to. Achieve salon-quality results at home with ease. Enjoy the benefits without the fragrance. Our unscented formula is gentle on your hair and senses, making it suitable for everyone. Crafted with care and quality in the USA. Trust in a product that delivers exceptional results, made with premium ingredients. What we like. Achieve sleek, straight hair while protecting it from heat. If you frequently use styling tools like flat irons or blow dryers, this spray is essential. Its alcohol-free formula ensures maximum protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for safe and effective heat styling. What people say. It is a good product that works well. This product is very effective and leaves hair smooth and shiny. Number 2. Brazilian Blowout Thermal Straightening Balm. Achieve sleek, straight hair with ease. This balm is your secret weapon for a smooth, polished look. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to beautifully straight locks. It makes styling your hair simpler than ever. Protect your strands from heat damage while you straighten. This formula ensures your hair stays healthy and strong. Get that professional, salon straight finish right at home. Enjoy smooth, manageable hair every day. Experience a remarkable transformation with a smooth, shiny finish. It leaves your hair looking and feeling its best. What we like? Get salon-worthy straight hair that lasts with this thermal balm. If you desire a smooth, frizz-free look for extended periods, this is the solution. It not only straightens but also shields your hair from heat damage, perfect for those who want a polished, enduring style. What people say. It works well and leaves hair soft and shiny. It straightens hair effectively without causing damage. The cream is easy to apply and has a pleasant scent. Number 1. Nexxus Blow Dry Cream. Achieve effortless style and volume with our innovative Blow Dry Cream. It's designed to give you a weightless finish, no matter your hair type. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to smooth, manageable hair. This cream provides superior frizz control, keeping your style looking polished all day long. Infused with our exclusive Style Protect technology, it shields your hair from heat and environmental stressors. This ensures your style stays intact and your hair remains healthy. Elevate your blow-drying routine with this essential styling cream. It prepares your hair for heat styling, making the process smoother and the results more impressive. Experience the difference of a truly lightweight formula. It won't weigh your hair down, allowing for natural movement and a comfortable feel. Get salon-quality results right in your own home. This cream helps you achieve a professional finish with every use, making styling a breeze. What we like? Achieve a perfectly styled blow-dry without the weight. If you're looking for volume and frizz control that feels natural, this cream is for you. Its advanced technology protects your style while keeping hair light and manageable, ideal for everyday styling and a polished finish. What people say. This product is amazing. It leaves my hair silky smooth and shiny. I love how this straightening cream tames my frizzy hair and makes it manageable. It's so easy to use, just apply and blow dry for salon-like results at home. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.